How to train your brain to think in English faster. Welcome to English Listening Journey. Do you ever feel like English is stuck in your brain, but you can't speak fluently? Maybe you translate everything from your native language before you speak. If this happens to you, don't worry, you're not alone. Many English learners struggle with this. But the good news is that you can train your brain to think in English faster. In this video, we'll explore how to do that step by step. Why thinking in English is important. When you translate every word in your head, speaking English becomes slow and difficult. Your sentences sound unnatural, and you often feel frustrated. Thinking directly in English helps you speak faster, understand better, and feel more confident. It also makes English learning fun because you start to feel like English is a natural part of your life. Start with simple words and phrases. You don't need to think in full sentences at first. Start by naming things around you in English. For example, when you wake up in the morning, think bed, pillow, window, sunshine. When you make coffee, think cup, hot water, sugar, spoon. This helps your brain connect English words to real things in your daily life. To make it easier, set a goal. Try to name at least 10 things in English every morning. After a few days, increase the number. The more you do it, the faster your brain will think in English naturally. Describe what you see and do. Once you're comfortable with words, start describing your actions and surroundings in English. For example, if you're walking to work, think, I'm walking on the street. The sky is blue. There are many cars. If you're cooking, think, I'm cutting vegetables. The water is boiling. You don't need to speak out loud. Just think in your head. This builds a habit of thinking in English without translation. Use English for daily decisions. When making small decisions, try thinking in English. For example, when you choose what to eat, ask yourself in English, what should I eat today? When you plan your day, think, I need to go to work, buy groceries, and call my friend. This helps you practice forming English thoughts without stress. If this feels difficult, start with easy choices like tea or coffee, blue shirt or red shirt. Slowly, you will get used to thinking in English for bigger decisions. Talk to yourself in English. Talking to yourself in English is one of the best ways to train your brain. You can do this in front of a mirror, while walking, or before sleeping. Try to talk about your day. Today was a busy day. I worked a lot. I ate a delicious lunch. Now I feel tired. If you don't know a word, try to describe it using simple words. Another great exercise is to imagine conversations. Pretend you are ordering food at a restaurant or introducing yourself to someone. This will help your brain think in English without pressure. Surround yourself with English. Your brain learns faster when you are surrounded by English. Change your phone language to English. Listen to English music and watch English videos. Even if you don't understand everything, your brain will get used to English sounds and structures. Try to spend at least 30 minutes a day in an English environment. The more English you hear and read, the more natural it will feel in your mind. Write in English every day. Writing helps your brain organize thoughts in English. Start with a small diary. Every day, write a few sentences about your day. Today was sunny. I went to the park. I read a book. Don't worry about mistakes. Just focus on thinking in English. If you want to practice more, write about different topics. Describe your favorite movie, your goals, or your last vacation. The more you write, the easier it will be to think in English. Be patient and keep practicing. Thinking in English is like building a muscle. It takes time and practice. At first, it may feel slow, but if you keep going, you will improve. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. The goal is not to be perfect, but to think in English more naturally every day. The takeaway: start training your brain today. To think in English faster, start with small steps. Name things around you, describe your actions, and make decisions in English. Talk to yourself, surround yourself with English, and write every day. Most importantly, be patient and keep practicing. Thank you for watching English Listening Journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more content for English learners like you. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and see you in the next video.